Okay, hello everyone. I want to make a video on how to use a BYU Idaho account to use your Zoom so that you can be able to use it in a Zoom meeting for more than 30 minutes, because it seems that some of BYU Idaho students don't know how to do it. So what will I do in this situation? So even if my account is being logged in, you have to sign out. So when you sign out, it will bring out this page. Then you have to sign in. Signing in, it will bring you to this page. What you have to do is to go to SSO. I don't really know the meaning of SSO. Then you click it. If you click it, then it will reach to sign in. Then you log in. When you log in, after logging in, you say open meeting. Whoa, exactly, this is your account. Look at it here. This is it. This is the account. So I can as well repeat the process by signing out. When I sign out, it will still bring me back to this page. Then what am I gonna do? I will go to SSO. Then it's even doing it automatically, but if you did not do it automatically, you still have something to do. You still have to click it so that it will go. Then I'll open the Zoom meeting. After opening the Zoom meeting, and to bring you here. Yeah, here, this is your account. This is your profile. Then your profile. Exactly. This is your profile. Yeah. Thank you for watching.